This is our Bridgeport Milling machine. It's got the variable speed head, 48-inch table, this one. Lovely chrome beds that are in really, really good condition. We've added a 3-axis DRO on request, and we've added the A&T air-powered drawer bar as well. In addition, we've got a guard, and it's got a full strip-down service. Everything's been done to this machine as needed, all new bearings in the head, in the quill, and so on. It's absolutely in excellent condition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through and let you see the whole machine running and make a good virtual demo of the machine so you can have a good opinion of it for yourself, and then please come down and see it in real life before purchase. Okay, so X-axis, lovely and smooth all the way across, no tight spots at all, beautiful all the way. It's got safety handles on the end, obviously, because it's got a power feed here. The Y-axis doesn't have a safety handle because it's no power feed. Again, it's lovely and smooth all the way across. Should be able to see the axis moving on the DRO system there. The knee's all been serviced as well. New bearings in the knee. That's all lovely. And in the bottom here as well, we've done complete oil service. You see there's a load of new pipes. There's actually a brand new oil pump as well, so the oil wasn't good enough. So that's all brand new. All the switch box, everything there is working. The DRO is brand new because of the 2-year warranty. So now moving on, I'll go on to the power feed. So this is variable speed. Okay. And at any time you can go to the rapid override, just this little button on the top, the orange one. So that goes to rapid override. Take your finger off and it goes back to feed again. Okay, go the other way. Again, it's variable speed. Now you can move these stops wherever you need them to be. They're all adjustable, but don't go past, there's little hard stops hidden underneath there. Don't go past there, because that would damage either the scale, the axis, or it'll damage something. So don't take those off and don't go past the stops. So if I was to hit this stop, feed cuts out automatically. So to come off it, you'd have to go the other way. But because I've only put my finger on it, that just releases it down. So you can see it's smooth all the way across, no problem at all. And obviously the 48-inch table does give you that extra bit of travel. It's a really nice one if you can get one. They are a pretty rare beast though. Okay, right, moving on. We'll move on to the variable speed head and the quill. Okay, so fire up the variable speed. Here how lovely and quiet it is. As I said, all brand new bearings in there. The rear pulley's all brand new. There's a load of other new parts that I won't mention right now, but there's a lot of work goes into this part of the machine. It really is a lot of money as well. Okay, so if you want to engage your feed, you just pull this lever here. It's got 3 different feed rates. So we're on the highest at the moment. That's the slowest when it's horizontal, and it's medium when it's on the bottom. I'll let it just traverse down and trip out automatically for you. I'll just show you the different feed rates now. Okay, so there's the slowest, and that's the medium, just to show you that they do all the work. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm reversing the head. It takes a little bit to tease it in, so don't be forceful with that, you're just going to tease it in. So I've pushed it in now so it'll reverse. I engage it again, and you see it reverses just fine. Okay, I'll knock that off and I'll reverse it again just to show you it all does it fine. Again, just tease it in. Engage, see it reverse it just fine. Never force this area, It's one of the quirky things about a Bridgeport. The little trip lever in there, you've got to be really careful not to force anything to break that trip lever. So just be careful with it. Okay. Never try to engage it when it's all the way at the top, or this is all the way down either, because again it won't engage, it's a safety mechanism. It won't engage when it's all the way at the top or all the way at the bottom. Okay. If you're not using the quilt for any length of time, it's on engage at the moment, so if you want to disengage it, you can see that it's no longer running. Just leave it on disengage, otherwise it's just running, just wearing out needlessly without actually using it, you know. Okay, so now we're going to test the variable speed head up and down the ranges in low and high and neutral as well. Okay, so we're running around this sort of 1500 RPM. That's 3000. Back down to about 500. And I'll put it in reverse, and reverse is just as quiet. I'll go up and down the range as well. That's the lowest. We're still in high range, remember. And that's 3000. Put it to something more sensible, like 2000. Let you listen to it at that. Yeah, it's super smooth. I'm just pressing the brake just to show you it working. Obviously, the brake is only really there for when you get the tool out. But to be honest, with the air drawbar, you don't even need the brake. Right, we're going to go from high to low range now. But this handle tends to be in the way, so just move it out of the way first, and you can get the angle better on this little lever here. So. Push it in, push it round, make sure you're engaging, make sure it's locked in. You don't want to start that when it's half in and half out. And yeah, it's just as quiet and low. That's 300 in low range. That's about the middle. That's the lowest in low range. It's about 50 RPM. Okay. That's the middle. Press the brake just so you can hear it and see it working. And reverse. That's the top 300 RPM in low. Middle. And the lowest 50 RPM. You can see the spindle is moving very slowly indeed. Okay, so I'm going to change it back to high now just to show you that it does work. And before I do that, I'm going to go to neutral. So push in, bring it round to this position here, and the spindle will freewheel. So that's the neutral. So you copy it up a BCD, that's ideal. Okay, so push it in again. Again, it's the high, make sure it's locked in before you fire up. Just to show you the high, changes over just fine. Okay? So the last thing I'm going to do is just going to demo the guard, just so you know how that works. So we've got the spindle running, we've got the power feed running, guard opens, the whole machine shuts down. What does stay on is your DRO and your light. Obviously you need to be able to see what you're doing, and it drives you mad if the DRO went out every single time. You have to read data and everything, which wouldn't be ideal. So to restart that, close your guard. Turn the variable speed head to off, shut down your power feed, then you can press the green button again, and initialise the machine, and you're good to go again. Okay? So it's all running, it's ready for your inspection, it's a lovely machine, please come down and have a look. Thanks for watching.